Have you ever seen trees wearing white socks? It looks strange, right? Some people think it's just paint, or maybe a decoration. But the truth is, it's not paint. And it's not fancy. It's actually just lime. Yes, the same material used in construction. Today, we're going to find out why this simple trick is a lifesaver for nature. Point 1. Sunburn is real. Did you know that trees get sunburned? It's true. On a sunny day, dark tree bark absorbs a lot of heat. It gets hot, really hot. But then, the night comes and the temperature drops. This thermal shock makes the bark crack. It's like the tree's skin is breaking. The white lime works like a mirror. It reflects the sun, keeping the trunk cool and safe. Point 2. The bug barrier. Insects, ants and beetles love to climb trees and hide inside the bark to lay their eggs. This can kill the tree from the inside. But here is the secret. Lime is very alkaline. To a bug, walking on lime is like walking on fire. It's a natural barrier that keeps the pests away without using toxic chemicals. It's simple, cheap, and it works. Point 3. Road safety. Safety on the road. In many places, there are no streetlights. At night, a dark tree is invisible to a driver. But these white socks act like natural reflectors. They glow under car headlights, marking the edge of the road. It saves the tree, and it might save a life, too. Nature is full of smart solutions, isn't it? Next time you see a white tree, you'll know it's wearing its survival armor. What do you think? Is there a white tree near your house? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more everyday mysteries. See you in the next one.